Here's an easy two-step process to put video inside text in Premiere Pro. With your sequence selected, press T or select the text tool and type in your text. With your text layer selected, open the Essential Graphics panel and click on Edit. With your text layer selected, adjust and align your text. Next, click the New Layer icon and select the option from File to add a media file as a layer. Add your video file and make sure that your text layer is above your video file layer in the Essential Graphics panel. Next, click on Mask with Text and there you have it. You have easily created the video in text effect.